Hi everyone. I hope you all are doing great. And today I want to have a big announcement for all Gate DA 2025 aspirants. So you might guess, okay, what is this announcement? But let me, go step by step. So first of all, I would like to thank everyone who has attempted in our AMTs. So as you can see, the number here is 600, this is 800, 600, close to 600, right? So on average, I can say 600 or 800, I mean, people have attempted. So on an average, I can say 700 people have attempted in our AMTs. So which is a huge success. So before proceeding further, I would like to thank everyone that there have been, there have been many students who have trusted Go classes, who have attempted our AMTs. I hope you really liked all of the AMTs. I hope you really liked the video solutions that we are providing for the AMTs, right? So video solutions we are providing for AMTs. I hope you really liked all of these things. Now there has been many feedback. Let me just first read out this feedback. This particular student is very active, and he or she used to comment in our YouTube channel, and this particular comment has got many upvotes. So let's just see what this comment is saying. So many new concept to learn. We really want 6 AMT. So he or she is just commenting about that there has been great questions, and there has been very nice solutions, and he or she this user particularly wants that we should be having six AMTs. And similarly, there has been many comments. For example, this one: all the gate AMTs are game changer. Okay, so there are many comments actually. Thank you, sir. All the AMTs have been really very helpful. Frankly speaking, that Go classes mock tests are very quantitative, very qualitative and conceptual, interesting, covers all the corners of the concepts from each AMT. We really want 6 AMTs. So people are demanding 6 AMTs, right? So will there be a 6 AMTs like that? So people are demanding AMT 5 6 is happening like that, right? So people are demanding 6 AMTs, like we should be having 6 AMT 6 like that. People are demanding 5 and 6. So many people have demanded, okay, 5 and 6 AMTs, and people have given their very nice feedback. So there are many people who have given their feedback, and many people have demanded 6 AMTs. So this particular user, he is also, I think, one of our topper. He is our indoor student, and he is one of our topper in our test series also. So he is also appreciated, AMTs. And there are many comments like best thing in Go classes, no incorrect question in the test series, right? Sir, your knowledge, okay, this is I think this is related to, okay, this is not related to directly AMT, but yeah, just regarding our video solutions, I think. Okay. So there are like many feedback. I am not taken all the feedbacks. If you go to our website, in our website, you can read all the feedbacks. There are many feedback that has been come for the AMTs. So first of all, thank you everyone for giving such a nice and detailed feedback. We really loved it. Okay, I and Deepak really get happy that we get these kind of feedbacks, and when our hard work actually get recognized. So don't be shy away. If you feel that these AMTs are helping you, then don't be shy away. Just let us know, because everyone need motivation, right? I mean, if you need motivation to study sometimes, then we also need motivation, or we also deserve some kind of happiness by seeing your comments. So just let us know in the comments. Now let's just come to the bigger question, that how many more AMTs for good DA, right? Because people are saying we should be having AMT 6 and so on. So let me just first tell you that we have conducted, this is done, this is done, this is done, this is done. We have conducted 4 AMTs so far. Okay, last AMT was on 25th of January. We have conducted 4 AMTs so far. Now there will be AMT 5. Okay, there will be definitely MT5, but we have prepondered it. Earlier I said it is 9th of February, but now we have prepondered it, and now it is 5th of February, because we had to accommodate. Okay, we had to accommodate AMT6 also, so that is why I have to prepone it. So now AMT6 will be on 9th of February. So AMT5 and 6 will definitely be there, because there have been many comments, and obviously you notice one thing: whatever you people comment, we try our best to do it. So you people have asked it, so we did it. Now let me give you one bonus surprise, that we will not stop it here. We will give you 7 AMTs. We will have one more. We will have one more AMT, and that will be on 12th of February. But why so many AMTs, and why so many mock tests? Why so many quality mock tests? So basically, these AMTs are, all the AMTs are quality AMTs, right? So why so many quality tests we are providing, and that too free? that too free. The reason is for gate DA, okay, especially for gate DA, there is very less number of practice questions because there are no PYQs, okay, there are no PYQs. And students are actually demanding that we should be solving more and more quality questions. This is the main reason. This is the main reason that there are no PYQs and students are demanding that we should be practicing more. So this is the main reason that we are providing more AMTs. Okay, so we will be providing 7 AMTs. 7. Okay, let me just tell you that just to provide one AMT, it takes at least 3 to 4 days. Okay, it takes at least 3 to 4 days to prepare one AMT. So we will be spending our energy, we will be spending our time. Let me just tell you that we have not hired anyone. Whoever teaches the subject, that particular person only make the questions. For example, I make questions from linear algebra, probability, or machine learning, like that, right? Or data structures. Deepak make questions from propositional logic, first order logic, DBMS, like that. Anjali make questions from AI. So whoever is teaching, that make questions, because then only we can ensure the quality. So we do not hire for our technical work generally, because we know that it is little difficult to make sure that quality, right? So all the AMTs will be made by either me, Deepak, or Anjali. Okay. And obviously Ayub sir, because Ayub sir is also teaching few of the topics like LDA. Ayub sir will also be contributing here in the topics which he is teaching. Okay. So this is the main reason. I hope you really liked this particular initiative that we are doing. Not just 5, okay, we are providing 6, and not just 6, we are providing 7 AMTs. 7 AMTs. It's a big deal. Okay, it's a big deal. 7 AMTs is actually a big deal. So do let us know if you like this initiative. Do let us know, please. And do let us know in the comments if our AMTs are helping in your preparation. If video solutions are helping in your preparation, okay, if video solution that we are providing, okay, helping, just let us know. Don't be shy away, please don't be shy away. We also need some happiness, okay. I mean, we also deserve to be to see that, okay, our work is getting appreciated. So please don't be shy away, just let us know in the comments, right? So whatever you feel about this initiative, and if your preparation got boosted with our AMT, then just let us know in the comments. Please give your feedback in the comments. Okay, thank you everyone, thank you so much. Please give your feedback.